Hello students, welcome to Akadshala. Today we are going to do assertion and reasoning questions of chapter 2 acid bases and salts. But before starting today's session, it would be great if you like this video, share this video and subscribe to our channel Akadshala. This gives us a lot of motivation to keep creating these kind of videos for you all. In these questions, the candidate is provided with a statement. This statement presents an opinion, a fact, or a comment. It is called as the assertion. The other statement is the reason. These two statements form a pair of reason and assertion statements. There may or may not be a relation between the two. The most common misconception is that the assertion is a statement and the reason has to be a defending statement or the cause for it. So the first question goes like this. Assertion says a stain of curry on a white cloth becomes reddish brown when scrubbed with soap. Reason says litmus is a natural indicator. Now, reading these two statements, we have come to know that in curry we have turmeric, and turmeric is a natural indicator. And according to the statement over here, we also know soap is also basic in nature, which we know already. So according to the statements, if I see that both the statements are coming out to be true or false, let us check. So that means A statement, a stain of curry on a white cloth becomes reddish brown when scrubbed with soap. Yes, of course, it is absolutely true. So I will write true over here in a corner. True. And the second statement says that litmus is a natural indicator. Yes, this is also true. Now, I have come to know that both the statements are true, but this statement, the reason statement, is not explaining the reason, but individually it is absolutely correct. So I will choose the option B over here. That is, both A and R are true, but R is not the correct explanation of the assertion. Let's go to the second one. Assertion: sodium bicarbonate is a basic salt. Reason: it is a salt of strong base, sodium hydroxide, and a weak acid, hydrogen carbonate. Now, the four options are again given. Now, first of all, according to the statement, which I am having, even the prior knowledge I am having, I would write down the prior knowledge over here to take out the correct option over here. So, I know that when an acid reacts with base, I get salt and water. And I also know that if the acid is strong and the base is weak, I get acidic salt. And if the acid is weak, base is strong, I get basic salt. If the acid is weak, base is also weak, I get neutral salt. And if the acid is strong, base is also strong, I get again neutral salt. And according to the second statement, I also know it is given already that it is a salt of strong base, sodium hydroxide. Let me write NOH, strong base, and weak acid, that is H2CO3, that is hydrogen carbonate is the weak acid. Let me write plus H2CO3 weak acid. So what it will be forming? That means it is a salt of, that is, it is a salt of means they are telling sodium bicarbonate. So the product formation will be NaHCO3, which is indicated in the statement. And they have also told us that it is a basic salt. But how we have come to know it will be a basic salt? Because that is, it is a strong base and weak acid. So, of course, the salt formation will be a basic salt. So, according to these two statements, I have come to know that the first assertion is coming out to be true according to my prior knowledge, and the reason is also coming out to be true. So I will write in my corner for my reference. And R, this reason is also correct explanation of the assertion. So I will go for the option A because both A and R are true and R is the correct explanation of the assertion. This finishes this question. Let us go to the third one. Antacids are used to get rid of pain caused by indigestion. Okay. Reason. Antacid neutralizes the excess acid produced in the stomach. Okay. So I'm having the prior knowledge that our stomach produces hydrochloric acid, that I know it. And it helps in the digestion of food, that also I know it. Without harming the stomach, this also I know it. And what happens during indigestion? During indigestion, I know the stomach produces too much acid. It produces too much acid, and this causes pain and irritation. So just to get rid of this pain, then people, what they use? People use bases which are known as antacids. So these antacids, it neutralize the excess acid which is given in the statement. So according to these two statements, I find that even the assertion is coming out to be true. I will write it as true in the corner. And reason is also coming out to be true. Absolutely true. And even I am also seeing that even reason is also the correct explanation of assertion. So which option am I going to choose? So according to these two statements, which I've understood with my prior knowledge even, I've come to know that option A will suit with these two statements. That means both A and R are true, and R is the correct explanation of the assertion. So this way, we have finished all the three questions based on assertion reasoning questions. So please do practice on and on, children. So with this, I wind up the session. Thank you. Have a nice day. God bless.